In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with Apple Pay iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up Apple Pay and add payment methods to your wallet. You will be able to make purchases contactlessly in store, so whenever you are at a physical location or whenever you proceed to check out on any digital or online store. So to start, set up your wallet. You will find the wallet application installed by default on any iPhone model. So go into the wallet app and in there tap the plus sign, usually at the top right corner of the screen. You will see all of the cards that can be added into your Apple Wallet, and usually if you want to use Apple Pay, you will select credit or debit cards. Now fill out all of the information needed. You can either use your camera, which will scan your card and automatically input some of the details, or you can choose to manually input all of them, so the card number, expiration date, security code, and possibly the cardholder's name. When you choose to add a card, you will also have to go through a verification process, and whenever all of that is done and you follow all of the on-screen instructions, the card will be listed under your wallet. With this done, you are ready to actually use Apple Pay to issue a payment. So if you are at a physical location, you can double-click the side button. This will activate Apple Pay. From there, choose the payment method that you want to use, so the card that you added, and you will be able to authenticate this purchase by physically holding your iPhone near the contactless card reader. As soon as you choose one of the payment methods available and it is placed within close proximity of the card reader, it is going to go through and you will issue the payment. If you are doing an online purchase, just proceed to checkout, a prompt will appear, and once again you will be able to authenticate with Touch ID, Face ID, or any other mean available. So just choose to purchase with Apple Pay when you proceed to checkout, and this process is also going to work. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Apple Pay iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.